Good morning students. Today we are going to see the book back exercise of the Tour de Amazon. Okay, I hope you have understand the story. So now we should do the book back exercise. Okay, first the set going. The first one, fill in the blanks with the correct option. Okay, so see this image. So this is a question. So by seeing the question, you have to say the answer. Okay, the first one, fill in the blanks. A, the Amazon river is almost dash kilometer long. I have told in the story, no. So Amazon river is almost dash kilometer long. So it is about 6,400 kilometers long. Okay, the Amazon river is about 6,400 kilometer long. The next one, the kapok tree grows up to dash feet at times. The kapok tree grows up to 200 feet. Okay, the kapok tree grows up to 200 feet. The next one, see, over dash varieties of fruits grows in the Amazon rainforest. That is at 3,000. Okay. Over 3,000 varieties of fruits grows in the Amazon rainforest. Okay. The first one is, the Amazon river is almost 6,400 kilometer long. The kapok tree grows up to 200 feet at times. Over 3,000 varieties of fruits grows in the Amazon rainforest. Over 3,000 varieties of fruits grows in the Amazon rainforest. Okay. Students, copy down the book back exercise in your notebook. So now we are going to see about the synonyms and the antonyms. Okay, what's a synonyms? So the synonyms is a word that has the same or a very similar meaning as another word. So synonyms which gives the similar meaning. Okay, so this word is important. Synonyms is a word which gives the similar meaning of another word. Okay, for example, mandatory. Mandatory means what? Compulsory. Okay, observe means notice. Okay, so mandatory. So when you will come across this word while you are filling up the form in a paper or in a internet, so they will use the term mandatory. So mandatory means what? It's a very compulsory. You have to fill it out, like that they are saying. Mandatory means what? Compulsory. You have to fill that one, like that they are telling. Okay, mandatory means what? Compulsory. Observe, notice. Okay, so what do you mean by synonyms? A synonyms is a word which gives the similar meaning of another word. Okay, that is known as the synonyms. Okay, what's an antonyms on the other hand? The word that means the opposite of another word. Okay, opposite of another word is called as antonyms. So antonyms means what? Is an opposite of another word is not called as the antonyms. Okay, for example, shallow, deep. Okay, shallow means what? Alam illada. Okay, deep means what? Alam ulla. Okay, shallow, deep. Apart. Apart means separately. Okay, what's the opposite of apart? It is a together. Apart means what? Separately. Together means it is a joining one. Okay, so apart, together. What's an antonym? So antonyms, it's a word that means the opposite of another word. Okay, the opposite of another word is known as the antonyms. What's a synonym? Synonyms is a word which gives the similar meaning. Okay, opposite is a word which gives the antonyms is a word which gives the opposite. Okay, which is a word, it's the opposite of another word. Okay, antonyms, antonyms means it's an opposite of another word is known as the antonyms. Okay, so now this is an exercise given for you. So we have to match it one. Okay, match it with the synonyms. So this is a synonyms. So see here, desire means what? Wish. Okay, desire means wish. So I have put an A. And naughty, mischievous. Hard, difficult. Happy, cheerful. Okay, happy, cheerful. Great, wonderful. Okay, desire, wish, naughty, mischievous, hard, difficult, happy, cheerful, great, wonderful. So this is a synonyms. Now we shall write the antonyms. Okay, so nibble. What's the opposite of nibble? So nibble in Tamil we will say korichu korichu saappalam vandu nibble. What's the opposite of that? It's a gobble. Okay, nibble, it's a gobble. Okay, gobble means what? Appadi vilungirathu. Okay, nibble means korichu korichu saapradhu. Gobble means appadi vandu vilungirathu. Okay, nibble, gobble. Next one, invisible. What's the opposite of invisible? It's a visible. Okay, visible, common, unique, and a reality means dream. Okay, reality means dream, and inedible means edible. Okay, inedible means edible. What do you mean by edible? That are edible means that are fixed to be eaten. Okay, inedible means that are not fixed to be eaten. Okay, edible means that are things that are fixed to be eaten. edala saapida kudiyadho adha vandu enadhu edible. So the opposite of edible is inedible. Okay, nibble, global, invisible, visible, common, unique, reality, dream, inedible, edible. Okay, now we shall do the third exercise also. So this is a third one. So this is a passage they are given. So in the passage there are some of the bold words they are given. For the bold words you have to write the synonyms. Okay, see this one. This is a image of the passage. I am going to read the passage. The Amazon is a great place for an exciting adventurous expedition. So it's the largest river in the world. It is located right at the equator. The Amazon is surrounded by the thick rainforest. There are no roads or bridges in the forest. The explorer had to rely on packraft, canoes and boats to travel across the Amazon. Kapok tree is the biggest tree species in the Amazon rainforest. The Amazonian water lily has a large leaves. Water lily with leaves as wide as 3 meters have been spotted by explorers. There are over 3,000 varieties of fruits that are grown in the rainforest. So here, what are the words that are given in the bold? That is exciting, locator, thick, relay, spotted. Okay, now we have to fill in the blanks with the synonyms. So in the box there are the list of synonyms they are given. What are the synonyms they are given? Depend, dense, situated, sighted, thrilling. So you have to fill up the correct one. Okay, first one, what is an excited? Excited means what? It's a thrilling. Okay, excited means what? Thrilling. Second one, located means situated. Okay, located means situated. Then third one, thick means, what do you mean by thick? Thick means dense. Okay, thick, dense. And relay means depend. And the fifth one, spotted means, so fifth one, spotted means sighted. Okay, spotted means sighted. Okay, the first one, exciting means thrilling. Second one, located means situated. Third one, thick means dense. Fourth one, relay means depend. Fifth one, spotted means sighted. Okay, so what we have seen? We have seen about the synonyms and antonyms. Students, have you clear with the synonyms and antonyms? Now we shall see the phonics junction. Okay, so in phonics junction we are going to see about the out sound. Okay, now read this word how, tomorrow. So now see the letter OW in how and OW in tomorrow. The letter OW can be pronounced in a two different way. Okay, the letter OW, it is pronounced in a two different way. So it can be either pronounced in the word how or as in the word tomorrow. So here the letter OW, it is pronounced in a two different way. The first pronunciation is how sound. The second pronunciation is okay, now read the word how. So what sound you hear? You hear OW as out sound. And now read the word tomorrow. In tomorrow, the OW, how does it sound? That is like it sounds. Okay, the same letter only. Okay, that is OW. In OW only it has a two pronunciation. First pronunciation is ow, second pronunciation is ow. This is ow and this is ow. Okay, but they are written differently, though they have the same sounds, but they are written differently in the words. Okay, so now we can see what are the words that are pronounced like ow and what are the words that are pronounced like ow. Okay, now we can see the words. Okay, now see this image. So here are some of the words that are sounds like ow. Okay, what are the words that are sounds like ow? They are given here. So they are given here in the two columns. The first sound pronounced as in how. So what pronunciation, the OW, how does it sounds? It sounds like an ow. The first column is an ow. The second column, that is pronounced as in tomorrow. So in tomorrow, what sound you hear? You hear about ow, ow sound. Okay, now we shall read out the words. Pronounced as in how, that is ow sound. Now I am going to read the words. Cow, down, crowd, bow, now, shower. Again I am repeating. Cow, down, crowd, bow, now, shower. These are some of the words that are pronounced like how, like ow sound. Okay. The next one, pronounced as in tomorrow, that is ow. You have to drag that ow and you have to say. Okay. Now see what are the words. Snow, grow, blow, bow, no, crow. Again I am repeating. Snow, grow, blow, bow, no, crow. See, these are some of the words that are sounds like an ow sounds. Okay, so students, have you all clear with this? So what I have taught for you, first we have seen about the choose. So in the choose, fill in the blanks we have seen, right? So there are three fill in the blanks we have seen, and we have seen about the synonyms and antonyms and also the phonics junction. Okay, the homework for today is you have to learn and write this book back exercise. Thank you.